Hello, traders. You are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Now, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, for this particular review, we are looking at 1 minute gold. One important thing to clarify right from the beginning is that this marketplace listing is for an MT4 indicator. It's not an expert advisor. The developer does mention that an EA version is available through private contact. All right. But everything that we are reviewing in this video is based on the indicator that is listed on the MQL5 Marketplace. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the Marketplace page. As we can see, the indicator is currently available for free. You can download it for free, which makes it easy for traders to explore it without an upfront purchase. The current version shown here is version 1.4, updated on September 4th, 2025. Now, looking at the description, the developer explains that 1 minute gold is designed to generate entry arrow signals by combining volume, price action, and trend filters. The goal is to help traders identify opportunities that align with the direction of the market rather than taking trades against it. So the page also mentions that traders interested in an expert advisor version should contact the developer privately. Now, since that EA isn't part of this marketplace listing, I won't speculate on how it works or what additional features it may include. All right. Now, moving further down the page, the first feature highlighted is the built-in take profit and stop loss guidance. According to the description, every signal comes with TP and SL. TP and SL objects displayed directly on the chart. The indicator offers two methods for calculating these levels. One uses ATR while the other uses fixed point values. Having both options gives traders some flexibility depending on how they prefer to manage risk and position sizing. The next feature is the statistics panel. All right. The panel is designed to summarize historical signal performance over the number of history bars that you choose. It displays information such as the historical win rate, winning and losing streaks, along with the total net profit and loss based on those signals. Now, from a trader's perspective, having these statistics available directly on the chart can make it easier to evaluate how the indicator has behaved historically without manually reviewing every individual signal. Of course, these statistics should be viewed as historical information rather than an expectation of future performance. Another point the developer emphasizes is customization. The description explains that while the default settings have already been fine-tuned, the indicator includes many adjustable parameters. According to the developer, the signals are validated only after 5 different trading rules agree, and each of those rules has settings that can influence signal quality as well as the historical statistics shown on the panel. The exact logic behind those rules is not explained on the marketplace page, so it is best not to assume how they work internally. So instead, traders will need to experiment with the available settings themselves to understand how different configurations affect the signals. The final major feature mentioned is that the indicator does not repaint. So the developer states that once arrows are plotted on the chart, they remain fixed and are not withdrawn later. For many traders, this is an important characteristic because it allows historical signals to remain consistent during chart review instead of changing after price has already moved. Now, since I don't have a completed historical strategy tester report for this review, I won't be discussing backtest statistics like drawdown, profit factor, or win rate. Okay, I did attempt to run a historical test. But because this marketplace product is an indicator rather than an expert advisor, most likely the reason the visual mode remained active, throughout the process. So instead of reviewing automated trading results, let's just simply look at how the signals appear directly on the chart. Okay, so we can see this dashboard here, showing the counted bars, the total signals closed, the total signals won, the total win ratio, the total pips profit. Then we can also see here showing the max win streak and the max loss streak as well. Okay, so this is an indicator and not an expert advisor. So this information here is probably based on signals and not on executed trades. All right, as we have already said, the seller already said that those interested in the AA should, contact in private. Okay, so we are just reviewing the indicator, but if the EA actually replicates the indicator, only that it just, executes the trade automatically and all of that, then they ought to have similar features. Okay, but I can't say for sure if the EA exactly is identical to the indicator, aside the fact of the automation. All right, so just going through, looking at the chart, ideally we ought to be able to see where entry arrows are generated. All right, depending on how long we stay on the chart, of course. And then rather than treating these signals as automatic trade entries, it is more useful to study how they appear alongside price movement and how they align with the market structure that follows. All right, if you are considering the separate EA version mentioned by the developer, I would also suggest requesting verified historical testing, and forward testing results before making any decisions, since those details are not included on this marketplace page. All right, so overall, the 1 minute gold appears to be an indicator that is focused on providing filtered entry signals along with visual trade management tools and historical statistics displayed directly on the chart. The marketplace listing also highlights its customization options, and the fact that the signals do not repaint. So whether it is suitable for your own trading will ultimately depend on how well the signals fit into your existing trading plan and whether your own testing supports using it. So, as always, remember that historical observations alone should never be treated as proof of future performance. Market conditions change and results can vary depending on your settings, broker execution, spreads, slippage, and overall market environment. So, before using any trading tool with real money, spend time testing it on historical charts, optimize it where appropriate, and forward test it on a demo account first. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.